Excuse me. It is good, isn't it? It's good. Nothing, just chilling. You know, burping. I never excuse myself. You're right. It was just a goof. It was just me being silly. I had a big dinner. So, it's going to be something else tonight. Thought I'd come hang out with you guys for a little bit. Either do this or make TikToks. I don't know. Exactly. I had a big dinner. So, get ready. Anyway, happy Friday, everybody. Ooh. Why am I so proud? I know. It's so funny, right? Hi. I know, it's crazy. I think that's like a minute, and I don't know. I would love to see the rules because when you apply for a record, they give you some rules, you know? So I would love to see what the rules are because if you have to like hold your breath for a minute and just let out a burp for a constant 6 or whatever, I don't think I do that. But if it's like a back to back thing, I could pull that off. I don't know, but maybe not. That's a hard one for me. I personally love the loudest. Longest would be dope, but I guess it could be something I could practice at. I would love to see the rules, but loudest is good for me. I'll just hang it up on my wall. So every night I go to bed, it's just right there. And I'll Belching Betty's live right now? Oh shit. Nice. These burps are crazy tonight. Oh man. I'm on to download this. This one's crazy right now. It's the food. It's gotta be the food. I had so many vegetables. I basically had like vegetables and rice. Well, I'm surprised. Sometimes you just like eat the right food and drink the right drink, and it just like I don't know. So yeah, I guess I do surprise myself sometimes. But the ones where it's like they build up, you can feel them building up, and they just come naturally. Are my really loud? Are my really loud ones? But they come like multiple times a day. I've barely sipped on my one drink, so. I know, it's all weird, right? People will tell you, yes, those are real burps. And these people would know because it's what they love the most. What's up? Whoa, I'm smacking you around. Shut up, Corey. Jesus. I just be rocking some crop top with shorts and oh yeah. You know what I mean? You know what should hurt but doesn't? Do I get gas when I burp like on purpose a lot? Yes, I do. I'm not going to be doing like tongue out stuff over here. I really burped the national anthem. Oh, say, can you see? Is that it? By the dawn's early light. I usually do like names, sometimes words. But that was a moment. We loved that, so that was good. Okay. That smelled so specific. Sushi. And exactly what that tasted like in my mouth and smelled like sushi. Just straight up fucking sushi. That was wild. Sushi. I want to do something for you guys. Hey there. Farts, let's go. Who's got farts? That was for you. You burp louder. Okay? Please. Get on my face. I'm the loudest burper. I'm the loudest women's burper in the world. Okay? Ooh, the other end. The other end. Ooh. He wants to know about my other end. My other end. He wants to know about my other end. The fuck? I know, right? What's that? Do the biggest burp I can. No. I don't know, man. I just do. Busting them out one right after the other. And that's what love sounds like. Who's next? Can you say my name, Andre? Andre. 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 Busty. 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 Okay, Naisha. This is freaking, like, seriously sushi vibes, dude. All I taste is sushi.